Your system is delivered to you activated and install ready. Before you start the installation, take the time to unbox the system and take inventory of your labeled items, noting if anything is missing. The touchpad is a 7-inch touchscreen interface, which is typically used on the countertop, near an entryway or exit. Some items may be identical in appearance, so please be sure to follow placement suggestions. Place the Connect Plus security hub near your home router. Using the Ethernet cable provided, connect your router to the available Ethernet port on the back of the security hub. Plug the Connect Plus power cord into the nearest non-switched or non-GFI outlet. It's a good idea to remove the outlet's center screw and anchor the power adapter to the plug and avoid power interruptions. Upon power-up, look for the top 4 and bottom 3 LED lights to illuminate to ensure successful operation. The bottom LED light may flash for 30 to 60 seconds. If any of the mentioned lights do not illuminate, notify your security provider for assistance. When installing the door sensors, place them in the appropriate locations. Typical installation places them on non-hinged sides of the door in the upper corner. Install the larger sensor on the door frame and the smaller magnet on the door. After mounting, test the sensor by opening and closing the door while listening for the chime. The motion detectors should be mounted 7 feet above the floor with the lens facing down. They do not detect motion through doors or walls, so install it in an open area and avoid heating and cooling vents. The motion detectors also use a special mounting tape for easy application. Apply even pressure for approximately 15 seconds when mounting. Download the app, install it on your mobile phone, and log in using the credentials provided for you. The app can be used to arm, disarm, and check the zone status and event of your security system. Finally, test your system by verifying operation of your sensors. Open and close protected doors and windows and listen for the chime with each action.